In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Zendesk email channel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to open your preferred web browser. Once it's loaded up, navigate to the Zendesk website. When you arrive on the home page, you should see a Sign In button. Go ahead and click that. You'll need to log in with your account email and password. This should only take a moment. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. You'll notice a Settings gear icon located in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Click on that icon. It will take you to the Admin Center. Once you're in the Admin Center, look for the option that says Go to Admin Center and select it. You'll be greeted by a variety of options on the left side of your screen. From this menu, focus on the section labeled Channels. Click on that and then select Email. This will bring you to the email setup page where you can begin configuring how your email will work with Zendesk. At this point, you'll see an option that says Add Address. Hover your cursor over that option, and from the menu that appears, choose Connect External Address. This is where the fun part begins. Now, you'll need to select your email provider. For this video, we're going to use the Gmail connector as an example, since it's quite popular. So after selecting Gmail, click on the Continue with Google button. Here, you'll be guided through a necessary authentication process. Just follow the secure on-screen prompts provided by Google. It might involve verifying your account, so make sure you have access to that email. This step is crucial as it allows Zendesk to access your incoming emails. When you successfully complete this process and authorize Zendesk, your Gmail will be connected. Once everything is authenticated, incoming emails will automatically convert into support tickets. This means that any email sent to your connected address will flow smoothly into your Zendesk system for you to manage. How great is that? And that's pretty much it. You've now set up the Zendesk email channel. Now you're all set to start receiving support requests through your email efficiently. Remember, this process really enhances your ability to manage customer queries and keep track of them effectively. Feel free to return to this video if you have any questions or if you need a refresher on any of the steps. Setting up your email channel may seem a bit technical at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's quite straightforward and very worthwhile. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content like